Hi guys, welcome to ID Networking. So first step is update or reinstall the wireless driver. Okay, so right click to icon and then click to device manager. So then click to network adapter and all show wireless LAN. So right click to uninstall, uninstall, then again click to search scan to hardware changes. Okay, and then again network adapter to right click upgrade search automatically driver and then close. Second solutions, disable authorize in startup service. So Windows R and type msconfig. Then guys click to services and that file name is software name is ATH this software name authorize service file we have to disable. Okay, and find out and then uncheck like this, then apply and okay. Third solutions, so guys click to start button, type control panel, uninstall to latest update. Then guys click to uninstall program, view install update. Okay, so you can select uninstall latest and you can try to one by one. You install first this one and then check it again and use. Okay, so next solution guys, uninstall the 3DP net software. Uninstall, click to start button, go to setting, app, apps, install apps. So 3DP net, this software name, this is actually uninstall. Okay, and also next solution is click to start button, go to setting and check your Windows update. This is properly updated or not. You have any uh, pending any update, so please first up to date your system and then check it like this. Okay, and next solutions, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.